In this video, I'm going to talk about the new feature that's in Excel 2024, and it's Regextract. So Regextract is quite difficult to figure out the patterns. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you some examples of patterns that you could use for your own data. So let's go over the formula. Regextract, and then it says text. And that's normally where you would select a cell. Pattern is the pattern that you're trying to figure out to extract the data. Return mode is it defaults by default at 0, which returns the first match, or you can specify that you'd like 1, which returns a string of like an array of data, and 2 captures a group, and this is normally um, with a paragraph parentheses around some data that you want. Okay, the case sensitivity is the third one, and the default is it is case sensitive. If you put 1, it will be case insensitive. So the first two, the text and the pattern, are mandatory, and the other two are optional if you want to put them in. So let me show you some examples that I've used this for. So in the first cell here, I have Barb Henderson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this circumstance, you would like to get the numbers out of that cell and leave the text that's in there. So we're going to go to the formula, and it is Regextract. A2 is the cell, and I want all the characters that are 0 to 9 from the cell, and the plus sign means that there's more than one. And so that has given us the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the next one, I would like to get the Barb and Henderson in 2 different cells. So I go Regextract, A3 is the cell, A to Z, capital A to Z and A to Z, plus backslash S, which is there's a space, and you're going to go in 1, so that means that you're going to get return the strings that match a pattern in an array. So the array is Barb in one cell and Henderson in the other cell. So now what we'd like to do is get the 2 words in one cell. So what we're doing is Regextract A4, and it's A to Z plus backslash for a space, and A to Z and the plus sign, and that gets it in one cell. Now, if you have your words and you have numbers in between there, so what we're going to do is we'd like to get the words out of here and forget about the numbers. So what I'm doing is I'm combining 2 different functions here. So I'm doing the text join, and so I'm doing very similar to get the words in separate cells, but what I'm doing is I am combining them into one cell, and this space here is the space between the first word and the second word. So it's text join blank comma true Regextract A5 Z A to Z and A to Z, plus meaning that there's more than one, and 1 because you want them in an array. And the last one that I think you'd probably use all the time is you need to get an email address out of some text. Now, I have a fake email address, but I've put in must be in front of it just to indicate that it's probably in the middle of the paragraph, and 4 in the after side. So Regextract, we're selecting A6. Now we're going A to Z and 0 to 9, and then we're looking for a period, because quite often an email says barb.henderson at whatever. So that's where we're looking for the first one, and then it's looking for everything up until You have your ampersand, and then it's looking A to Z and 0 to 9, and it's looking for a dot, plus it's looking for the characters after the dot. And so that has produced this email address out of that extract. Now, I hope that you'll be able to use the examples that I've given you so that you'll be able to take advantage of the Regextract. Please subscribe.